Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be documenting a Galley kitchen remodel that we recently completed. In this remodel, we replaced the outdated stained cabinets with white painted cabinets and added a luxury series quartz countertop. We also added a bunch of pantry cabinets to give the homeowner more storage space. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Here is what the kitchen looked like prior to demolition. In this remodel, the homeowners were responsible for their own demo, but we still had to expand the doorway into the dining room, which was a load-bearing wall, so we had to install a bearing beam. While in the process of expanding the opening, we found an HVAC vent that had to be relocated. Here is what the new opening looks like with the bearing beam installed. The electric rough-in is complete and we are ready for the drywall to be patched and repaired. The drywall work is now complete. Now the hardwood floor is getting installed. It is Remodel Sappy Ipe 3/4 inch by 3 1/4 inch planks. The floor installation is complete. We covered it to protect it for the cabinet installation. The cabinet installation is starting. The cabinets are Waypoint 650F maple linen, which is the crisp and clean white color that is extremely popular. We have not shown the kitchen too much from this perspective, but as you can see at the other end of the kitchen, we added a bunch of pantry cabinets for storage. In this remodel, the drywallers had to come back to make some repairs, so we covered the cabinets with plastic to keep the dust off. Countertops and Backsplash have been installed. The countertops are Cambria Britannica Gold Luxury Series with double round-over edges. The backsplash is MSI Grecian White Arabesque Mosaic Polished Stone Tile with Laticrete number 24 Natural Gray Grout. Here is the completed kitchen. We installed KitchenAid stainless steel appliances to wrap up this remodel. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this transformation. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more.